Hi, my name is Salsa Rommero and I'm from Binasarana Informatika. Now I will tell you about software and operating system. Let's start. What is software? Software is a collection of interaction of programs used to run and control computer operation. It works based on programming, language, and user input. Unlike hardware, software has no physical form but it is essential because hardware and software work together to make computer function properly. Software function. First software function is managing hardware so it can work seamlessly and properly. Second, providing person function that allow the computer to operate such operating system and supporting programs. Third, acting as a bridge between hardware and software in a computer system. And last, translating user language into machine language so the hardware can understand and execute command from the user. And now I will tell you about what is operating system. Operating system is in general, an operating system is known as a manager of computer research and as a bridge between the computer and the user. In another words, an operating system or OS is software that consists of several components used to control all activities performed by computer. And now I will tell you about operating system function. First is managing computer resource, sharing as the basic software. Third, connecting hardware components. Four, optimizing device performance. Five, managing system operation. And for the last is providing a user interface. This is my explanation about software and operating system, including their definition and function. And now let's go for the second battery. Now I will tell you about what is hardware. Hardware is physical part of computer system that can be used and touched. It includes input, output, and storage device such as keyboard, monitor, printer, and hard device. Hardware work with software to support computer operation and use interaction. Now I will tell you about hardware function. Hardware function is first data process, second data storage, third user interaction with the system, and the fourth is providing output. For the example of hardware, first is hard drive, keyboard, second is keyboard, third is camera, and for the last is microphone. And many example of hardware, but I tell you for example for hardware. Now I will tell you about main component of hardware. Hardware have two main components. For the first is motherboard. Motherboard is the main circuit board that connect all computer components and allow them to communicate with each other. And for second is CPU or Central Processing Unit. The CPU is brain of the computer that process data and execute instruction. Its speed measured of gigahertz. And this is my explanation about hardware, including definition, function, main component, and several examples of hardware device used in the computer system. Thank you.